Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and securing it with two-step verification. This protects everything you do. Once done, open Google Tasks or Keep and enter 1 to 3 concrete daily goals so you have a measurable focus. Then create a daily workflow folder in Drive and add templates for notes, meeting agendas, and checklists. These prerequisites let you start automating and batching work immediately instead of wasting time on setup later. You now automate the messy middle. Set Gmail filters and labels so messages route to the right project instantly. That frees decision energy. Once labels exist, link relevant calendar events directly to Docs meeting notes inside the event description and attach templates from Drive. Next, centralize recurring task lists in Sheets using formulas. Add a small app script to auto-create weekly checklists. This reduces manual copying and keeps context together, making handoffs and follow-ups predictable and fast. You finish by running a 5-minute end-of-day review. Mark completed tasks, update sheets, and move finished items to an archive folder so today's workspace is clean. Once done, export essential docs or sheets as PDF or CSV weekly to maintain an external backup and audit trail. If something goes wrong, sync delays, or missing files, clear your browser cache, reauthorize connected apps in your Google account, and verify drive storage. These steps resolve most problems quickly and get you back to focused work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.